Russian drone developer Kronstadt announced at Army 2022 that it had begun work on preliminary designs for the Grom combat drone under a state contract. However, the target for the first flight of the prototype drone was not explained. The Grom, which means thunder, is the second type of loyal wingman aircraft developed by Russia after the Sukhoi S-70 and Okhotnik B Hunter. The Grom is characterized by a maximum takeoff weight of 7 tons, a length of 13.8 meters, a height of 3.8 meters, and a wingspan of 10 meters. Its flight speed is about 1,000 kilometers per hour with a maximum altitude of up to 12,000 meters. Its combat radius is 700 to 800 kilometers, with a payload of 2,000 kilograms. The Grom can carry armaments, including smart bombs and air-to-ground missiles such as the CAB 500, MAM-L, CAB 250 LGE, and Izdeli 85. The Grom is capable of conducting intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, attack, and electronic warfare missions, operating alone or in networked autonomous swarms. Grom can also act as a loyal wingman working with manned aircraft, either fighter jets or air command, and control AWE and C aircraft. In a combat mission, the Grom will operate with Su-35 fighter jets and Su-57 stealth jets to break through enemy air defense systems and destroy them. In addition to his combat capabilities, Grom can also control a swarm of 10 Molniya mini-combat drones that the company is also developing. Molniya drones will continue to communicate with each other in the controller drone. There is a constant exchange of data between drones. It is also possible to change the mission of each drone in the group, replacing each other. Artificial intelligence allows drones to fulfill missions in groups without constant communication with command and control aircraft.